ಮಣ್ಣಿಂದ ಬಂದದ್ದು ಮಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಸೇರಬೇಕು, ಸೇರದಂತೆ ತಡಿವೆ ಆ ಕಣ್ಣ ಅಣ್ಣ ಮಣ್ಣಿನ ಮಹಿಮೆಯ.
Modern economics, the globalized economic system that dominates the world today, was supposed to be about trickle down, about wealth of the rich steadily helping the poor shake off their desperate poverty. What is actually happening is absorb up, the absorbing upwards of more and more wealth from the poor to the rich. In India, it is the 1% super rich who own 58% of the total wealth. The share of wealth of the top 10% has gone up during the years of globalization, and the share of the bottom 90% has gone down. The land, the commons such as forests and water and labor at obscenely low cost, all are being exploited by infrastructure projects, by big businesses and big corporations of the globalized economic system.
சொந்த ஊர் நெய்வேலி. எங்களுக்கு சொந்தமாக 2 ஏக்கர் நிலம் இருந்தது. கூட்டு குடும்பமாக தான் வாழ்ந்துட்டு இருந்தோம். எங்கள் நிலத்தை ஒரு என்எல்சி நிர்வாகி எடுத்துக்கிட்டாங்க. அதுலேருந்து நாங்கள் அந்த நிலம் இல்லாத ரொம்ப வறுமை கொட்டிக்கீழே இருந்து எங்கள் வீட்டில் 5 பேர் தற்கொலை பண்ணிக்கிட்டாங்க. எல்லாம் அதை விட்டுட்டு இங்கே ரொம்ப கூலிக்கு வேலை செஞ்சு சாப்பிட்டுக்கிட்டு ஒரு நிலைமைக்கு இருக்கிற ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை. அந்த நிலம் தான் நாங்கள் ஏன் அந்த நிலைமைக்கு இருக்கிறோம். எங்களுக்கு அது இருந்தால் அந்த சுகவாசி எங்களுக்கு அந்த இடமே போதும் எங்களுக்கு சாப்பாட்டுக்கு நிலவு.
The economic system that legitimizes profits at all costs has led to cruel, inhuman behavior all over the world. The corona pandemic in India has shown how tens of millions of migrant workers are treated by capitalists who run factories and businesses.
I'm from Coorg, from a very unique and a vibrant community. We have been closely connected with our land in the hills, growing coffee, rice and many other crops. Modern education only prepared us for city jobs. I think we got fooled by false promises of a good life into giving up localized wisdom, our local wealth and rich community life.
So what we need is a more sane and humane economic system, a more localized economic system in terms of labor, small businesses, especially for staple foods. We need such localization not only for the world but within large countries like India, so that most migrant workers do not have to go thousands of kilometers away from their families and communities in search of work.
It is clear that localization will not only benefit the bottom 90%, but it will also bring down the destruction of our environment. We youngsters must not make the mistakes our parents did.
ಸುಮಾರು 4 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಕಲಿಸ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಪಾಠ ತುಂಬ ಇದೆ. ಆದರೆ ಒಂದು ನಂಗೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗಾಗಿ ಅನಿಸ್ತಿರೋದೇನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ನಮ್ಮೂರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ನಮ್ಮೂರಿನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮೂರಿನ ರೀತಿ ನೀತಿ, ಭಾಷೆ, ಕಲೆ, ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ, ನಮ್ಮೂರಿನ ಜೊತೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನನಗನ್ನಿಸ್ತಿದೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗಾಗಿ.
Because of globalization, we've been influenced by the Western culture and forgotten about our music, dance and to have fun the way we should be doing.
There's something very refreshing and fulfilling about local farmers markets, traditional foods and local crafts.
I see many people around me feeling dried up in big jobs in monocultural cities. They are resorting to consumerism to feel alive. And I see this consumerism led by globalization as the biggest contributor to the enormous waste we generate. I'm convinced that going local can help to reduce our waste. I decided to go back to my own hometown to create awareness about this.
Coronavirus pandemic made me question where the system is going ahead. It made me realize the answer lies in our traditional medicines, which has been really effective in fighting the corona pandemic.
I'm going back to my lands in Haryana, where I want to work with my community to convert chemical farms into natural farms.
I think we are in the early stages of a movement towards localization. We do not need corn and meat and processed foods from the United States, nor apples from New Zealand or cheap products from China. It is in our hands to choose to localize.
Let's choose to localize.
And adopt community life.
And be vibrant.
And reduce the stress on our landfills.
Live locally and be happy.